In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an interactive quiz in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean self-checking quiz you can reuse for study, onboarding, or team trainings. First, let's set up the database that powers everything. Create a new table in Notion. The default title property will become your question. So rename it to question. Next, add a property called options. Set this to select or multi-select, depending on whether each question will have one correct choice or several. Then add correct answer and your answer. For the smoothest experience, make sure correct answer uses the same property type as options and set your answer to that same type as well. Keeping these property types consistent ensures the checker logic works reliably. Now let's make the quiz self-grading. Add a new formula property and name it something like check. Paste this logic. If prop your answer equals prop correct answer. Fay correct. Fay try again. With this in place, as soon as you choose an option in your answer, the check column will instantly tell you whether you got it right. If you are using a single select setup, the simple equals comparison works perfectly. If you intend to allow multiple correct choices, keep all three properties aligned as multi-select so your comparisons stay accurate. To make answers reveal on demand, add a checkbox property named Show Answer. Now create another formula property, perhaps called Reveal, and have it display the correct answer only when the box is checked. A simple pattern is, if the box is checked, show the correct answer. If not, leave it blank. This gives learners a moment to think, try an answer, and then consciously opt to see the solution. It's a small touch that makes your quiz feel far more interactive and supportive. For an app-like finish, let's add Notion buttons. Create one button labeled Clear All Answers. Configure it to edit the pages in your quiz database and set your answer back to empty. This gives you a one-click reset so you, or anyone using the quiz, can start fresh. Then add a second button called Reveal All. Set it to toggle Show Answer on for your quiz items, so every correct answer appears at once. These buttons are especially helpful if you are running a live review session or want a quick way to compare results with the official solutions. That's it! You now have a Notion quiz that captures questions, checks answers automatically, reveals solutions when you choose, and resets in a tap. Thanks for watching.